Hey there, amazing people! Welcome back to GEM, where we transform workplaces into spaces of growth, equity, and meaningful change. Today, we're diving into a topic that's close to my heart, addressing workplace inequities in 3 actionable steps. You know that feeling when you look around your workplace and something just doesn't sit right? Maybe it's the lack of diverse voices in leadership meetings, or the subtle ways certain team members get overlooked for opportunities. Well, today we're going to tackle these challenges head-on. Step 1. Recognize and document. First things first, we need to open our eyes and document what's really happening. This isn't about pointing fingers. It's about understanding the current state of your workplace. Start by asking yourself, who gets promoted most often? Whose ideas receive the most attention in meetings? How are work assignments distributed? What's the pay gap looking like across different demographics? Take a month to observe and document these patterns. Numbers don't lie, my friends. Create a spreadsheet, track the data, and let the evidence guide your next moves. And here's a crucial tip. Don't just focus on the obvious metrics. Pay attention to informal interactions too. Who gets interrupted in meetings? Whose suggestions get repeated by others and suddenly gain traction? These subtle patterns often tell the real story of workplace inequity. Step 2. Create accountability systems. Now that you've got the data, it's time to build systems that hold everyone accountable, and I mean everyone, from the CEO to the newest hire. Here's what this looks like in practice. Set up transparent promotion criteria. No more mysterious advancement paths. Every role should have clear, measurable benchmarks for growth. Make these criteria public within your organization. Implement regular equity audits. These aren't your standard performance reviews. We're talking about quarterly assessments that specifically look at resource distribution, opportunity allocation, and representation across all levels. And here's the game changer. Tie leadership bonuses to equity goals. When people's wallets are involved, watch how quickly things start to change. Step 3. Build inclusive decision-making processes. This is where the rubber meets the road, folks. It's time to revolutionize how decisions are made in your workplace. Create multiple channels for input. Not everyone feels comfortable speaking up in large meetings. Set up anonymous feedback systems, rotating committee chairs, and ensure every major decision passes through a diversity impact assessment. Ask yourself, who benefits from this decision? Who might be inadvertently left behind? Here's a pro tip that's often overlooked. Create designated time slots in meetings specifically for hearing from team members who haven't spoken up. It's a simple change that can dramatically shift the power dynamics in your workplace. And don't forget to follow up on suggestions. Nothing kills participation faster than feeling like your input goes into a void. But here's the secret sauce. You need to actively seek out and amplify underrepresented voices. Don't just invite them to the table. Hand them the microphone. Create mentorship programs that pair senior leaders with employees from underrepresented groups, but make it a two-way street. The mentees often have just as much to teach as they have to learn. Remember, addressing workplace inequities isn't a one-time fix. It's an ongoing journey, but every step forward matters. Start with these 3 steps, and you'll be amazed at the transformation you can create. If you found this video helpful, you know what to do. Smash that like button, share it with your colleagues, and don't forget to subscribe to GEM for more actionable workplace transformation content. Hit that notification bell to stay updated on our latest videos. Drop a comment below sharing your experiences with workplace equity initiatives. I read every comment and love learning from your perspectives. Until next time, keep growing, keep evolving, and keep making those meaningful changes.